The graph of the function f of x equals mx plus b contains the points -1, 3 and -2, -4. Find m and b. So I have written here, we have the function f of x equals mx plus b and the 2 points that pass through, or that the line passes through. So m, remember, represents the slope. So m is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. It's arbitrary how you decide, but let's take this as the first point. This is the second point. So y2 would be -4 minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2, which is -2, minus x1, which is -1. In the numerator, then, we have -7, and in the denominator, we have -2 plus 1. This would be equal to, let me do it here, -7 over -1. And of course, when we divide two numbers of like sign, the answer is positive, and 7 divided by 1 is 7. That's our value of m. What we need to do now is to substitute that value of m into the formula. So in place of m, I put the 7, so f of x equals 7x plus b. Now we substitute one of the 2 points. I'm going to choose the point -1, 3. 3 is the value of f. So 3 equals 7 times x is -1 plus b. So 3 equals -7 plus b. Adding 7 to both sides, we find that b is equal to 10, and therefore, let's state that m equals 7 and b equals 10.